Hello, traders. This is addzeros, and today is Sunday. And let's do a quick recap of the overall performance of the last week ending July 2nd. This was a mixed week. I had a fabulous trading days. Monday, Tuesday were the fabulous trading days. Friday was an awesome day for me. Wednesday, Thursday were not so good. And let me walk you through what we have traded throughout the week and how did I perform and what are the things we can improve through this weekly review. And feel free to subscribe to my channel if you have not. And put if you have any questions, put on the comment box. And if you wanted to know more about it, feel free to ask the questions. So, Monday, Tuesday were the better days, and because on the weekend we get a chance to work on some of the ideas, you can research on it. So I did some research on the last week, and if you have missed the last week research blog and the video, then you go back and look at the trade ideas. And my Monday, Tuesday were spent time with those ideas, and I had a fabulous day. So let's look at the first trade we had. A beautiful trade. Some are we traded on the long side, some on the short. VIAC, we have traded. It was around, close to their support and breaking out. So we have traded VISC. JKS was looking very strong. So we have traded JKS. We have traded NET and the space. The trade of the day for me, I would say was a space, a very beautiful shot if you look at it. On the Monday, I'm talking about the June 28th, it was under the VWAP and beautiful flag formation and the reversal around that. And then we shot it here and I added into this position and then all the way we have covered. So beautiful, beautiful trade we had on the June 28th. Then, then if you move on, the next trade we had NET. So NET was breaking down. Our first entry is on, I entered on 9:33. I added into the position and then it spiked me on and went back to my entry position. So I cover a little bit because I've added a little bit to here. So my average cost around 105 or 4. I break it down, added, reverse a little bit more, and then once it's moved back down, I added into my position and I recover cover. I added a very small size position to see what it does, and I was thinking, okay, this is going to be my stop loss. I'm going to add on the way to better prices, and I'm only adding 1/8 of my position while already partial. So I don't want to risk my profit, but I'm just adding a little bit on it to make the better. But then there was getting spready. It quickly moved on very strongly. So I realized, and if you look at it, the volume is also coming in. So I thought, okay, this maybe wanted to move up, and then I stopped out here, and then it's moved back down. So anyway, I already made my profit for that trade. Still the very green trade, so I'm fine with it. On June 29th, some of the good trades I had, the laser and the QFIN. Laser was gapping down, and apologies, a different chart because I didn't took my snapshot of my main platform, so I need to go and use my Trader Sync account to pull that where I do journaling. So, and if you are interested in how you can maximize your reviews and do the journaling better, I will drop the link below for the Trader Sync, and you can get the 50% discount plus first 7-day trials. And if you buy that package, you get the 50% discount. So it's worth exploring it. So laser, a beautiful trade. I enter short here if you look at it, and then the first partial here, and then I add a little bit more, and all the way the partial. So beautiful, beautiful, almost a 60 cents trade. So that was a beautiful trade I had. The next trade I had is this is a QFIN. So QFIN was extended stock and it was making a big consolidation and is wanted to gapping down. So I add into my position here. If you look at it, it's a two position add, first position, then add a little bit more here, and then partial all the way go. June 30th and the July 31st were the tough day for me. Uh, you know, I initially I just got stuck um, uh, in the in the I think it was Sophie and other trades, and nothing was moving for me on the on especially on the on the Wednesday, and then the Sophie trade came in and it made my day, and beautifully I come into a break even. And on the July 1st, I was throughout the red day, I was trying to make a recap video. And what happened here is that after hours, there was some news broke on space, and I will say what happening here on the space. I don't know why in the watch list is too much momentum. And I noticed that space is making an after hours move. If you look at it, is making after hours move. I quickly wanted to trade. Look at a 645 and I took the position and partial all the way up. And this trade made me turn into a manageable loss. I had a big red day on the June 30th, on the July 1st, and then turn manageable loss on it because of this beautiful 3 point move trade. Then July 2nd was a beautiful day. I wanted to turn to green because of the last 2 days was tough. I reduced my size, and but I had a beautiful trades and turned into a very green week and also a green month for me. So nice start of the week and month. Look at the AMD; it was very strong, making a bull flag on the daily candles, and we'll get long over the VWAP. And if you look at it, and then it's just partial is way all the way to the 94.82. And the next beautiful trade we had on the SPWR at the open, it was very strong. 29 was bull level. I add a small position before 29, take the full position 29th when it's broke out. First portion 29.40, 29.60 I added, and then it just stopped out. So that's the way I have traded. Feel free to leave your comments on how have you traded. Do you have any questions? And do you have any questions on the strategy I played or any other things? Feel free to leave your comments and I will respond. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.